Hello everyone, welcome back to CADD Nest. In this video, we are going to see how to use TCOUNT command in AutoCAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CADD Nest YouTube channel. In order to use TCOUNT, we'll go for AutoCAD. So TCOUNT is nothing but a command used to add serial numbers to our text. So in the example you can see over here, I have taken a simple text, that is CADD Nest Rajajinagar, Basavanagudi, Sheshadripuram, Malleshwaram, Rajajinagar. I have taken a simple text over here. I need to put a serial number to this text. So instead of typing it manually, we will be going for a option called as TCOUNT. So just take a command TCOUNT from your keyboard, hit the enter key, and here you can see it is asking to select the objects. So object is nothing but the text. So I'll be selecting this entire text, hit the enter key, and here you should select an order. So order is nothing but X and Y. So if I take a X order, the serial number will be of reverse direction, that is, it will be in descending order. If I take Y direction, the serial numbers will be in ascending order. So first thing, I'll be taking it as X, you can see, and it is asking for start and increment value. Start value I'll be giving it as 1, and increment value also I'll be giving it as 1 itself. Hit the enter key, and you can see here it is asking to override prefix, suffix, find and replace. 4 options will be getting. So if you use override option, the entire text will be replaced with serial number. So if you use prefix, the numbers will be at the starting of a sentence. If you use suffix, the numbers will be at the ending of a sentence. So here I'll be selecting the prefix, that is, the serial number should be at the start. Just go for prefix. So you can see here under X order you will be getting like the descending order feature, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in a descending manner. So in order to get it this in a ascending manner, you should go for Y order. So I'll do undo here, Control Z. Once again I'll be taking TCOUNT, enter, select the objects, again enter, and here I'll be selecting the object order as Y order, and start and increment value I'll be giving it as 1 and 1 itself. Hit the enter key, again I'll be giving it as prefix itself. So now you can see the order, it is in a proper ascending order. So this is how we'll be using TCOUNT. And one more thing here is the start and increment value. I'll go for TCOUNT. Once again, select the object, entire sketch I'll be selecting. Order I'll be selecting as Y itself, that is in order to get ascending order. And here the start and increment value is nothing but, the start is nothing but from where the number should start. So usually serial number starts with 1. If you have already defined the serial number and you need to add some more examples, then you will be defining the proper start value. So here I'll be giving it as, you can see the start value I'll be giving it as 2, and increment value also I'll be giving it as 2. So what happens is, that is, the serial numbers will start from 2 and the increment value will be in the numbers of 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, the even numbers will be presented over. So hit the enter key, I'll be taking it as prefix itself. So now you can see the numbers are, it is starting with 2 and the increment between these numbers are, it is 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So like this we will be defining the start and increment value. So this is how we'll be using TCOUNT command in Autodesk AutoCAD. So this is all for now. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you. See you again.